In this video, I am going to discuss about reciprocal equations. A polynomial equation is said to be reciprocal if a reciprocal of its roots are also the roots of the equation. That means if a0x to the power n plus a1x to the power n minus 1 plus so on an minus 1 x plus an equals to 0 be the equation, and let its roots are alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n. Then the reciprocal of these roots, that is 1 by alpha 1, 1 upon alpha 2 and so on, 1 upon alpha n are also the roots of this equation. Or in another word, if we replace x by 1 by x, the equation remains unaltered. Okay, so for example, see x square plus 1. So if we put 1 upon x at the place of x square, what we will get? We will get this is equals 0, or 1 upon x square plus 1 equals 0, or if we multiply this whole equation by x square, what we will get? 1 plus x square equals 0, which is same as the given equation. Okay, consider the second one, 3x cube minus 13x square plus 13x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, put 1 upon x, then what we will get? 1 upon x cube negative 13 1 upon x square plus 13 1 upon x minus 3 equals 0. Multiply by x cube, will get 3 negative 13x plus 13x square and negative 3x cube equals 0. Now multiply by negative 1, then we will get the previous equation. Okay, note that 0 cannot be a root of a reciprocal equation. Why? Because 1 upon 0, this is undefined. That we cannot divide a finite number by 0. The next equation, x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus 1 minus 1. Replace x by 1 by x. What we will get? 1 by x to the power 4 negative 1 by x cube plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x minus 1 equals 0. Or multiply by x to the power 4, we will get 1 minus x plus x square, then plus x cube minus x to the power 4 equals 0. Or multiply by negative 1, what we will get? Negative 1 positive x negative x square negative x cube positive x to the power 4 equals 0. See, this equation is not same as the given equation. That means this is not a reciprocal equation. So first two are the examples and the last one is a non-example. Now let's talk about types of reciprocal equation. So reciprocal equation is of two types. The first one is first kind and second kind. The coefficients of equidistant terms from the beginning and the end are equal in magnitude and as well as the same sign. That means, see, the coefficient of x to the power 4 This is the first from the beginning, and the coefficient of the first from the last, that is 1. So both are same and their sign is also same. And then these two, negative 1, negative 1. So they are same, that is first kind. But in the next example is 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. In this case, see 2 and 2 here, they are same as magnitude, but their sign are not same. From the beginning and from the end, the first coefficient from the beginning is 2 and from the end is negative 2. And then second, negative 5 and 5. So they are same in magnitude, but their sign are opposite. In this kind of equation is called the reciprocal equation of second kind. Now let's talk about properties of reciprocal equation. Let f of x equals to 0 be a polynomial equation. Then 0 cannot be a root of this equation, because if x equals to 0 be a root of this equation, then 1 by 0 should be a root of this equation, but 1 by 0, this is undefined. So 0 cannot be a root of this equation. The second property, the reciprocal equation of first kind, that means the coefficients of equidistant term from the beginning and the end are equal in magnitude and have same sign. So the reciprocal equation of first kind and obviously odd degree has a root negative 1. See the example, 2x to the power 5 minus 3x to the power 4 and so on. So see 2 and 2, these are equal. Again negative 3, here negative 3, and here negative 1 and negative 1. This is a reciprocal equation of first kind. And see the highest power of x is 5, that is odd number. So this is odd degree equation. And if we put x equals to negative 1, what we will get? 2 times negative 1 to the power 5, that is negative 2, and negative 3, the even power of minus 1 to the power 4 is 1, so negative 3, then positive 1, then negative 1, 3 times minus 1 is positive 3 and positive 2. See, 3 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, 1 get cancelled, and that is equals to 0. So therefore x equals to minus 1 is a root of a reciprocal equation of first kind, odd degree. Properties 3. The reciprocal equation of second kind, odd degree has a root positive 1. See the given equation, x to the power 7 plus 4x to the power 6 and so on. See the coefficient of the first and last term are same, but opposite in sign. Now if we put x equals to 1, what we will get? First one 1, then positive 4, then 4, then 1, then negative 1, then negative 4, negative 4, negative 1. See 4 cancelled, 4 cancelled, 1 cancelled, and 1 cancelled. That is equals 0. That means x equals to 1 is a root of a reciprocal equation of second kind, odd degree. And the reciprocal equation of second kind, even degree, has roots x equals to 1 and x equals to negative 1. So for that, let's solve this given equation. So this is a reciprocal equation of second kind. See here 3, here negative 3, then 1, negative 1, and negative 27 and 27. But this equation can be written as 3 times x to the power 6 minus 1, then x to the power 5 minus x minus 27 times x to the power 4 minus x square equals 0. Okay. Or 3 times x square minus 1 times x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Why? Because this x to the power 6 minus 1 can be written as x square cube minus 1, and which can be written as x square minus 1 times x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Because a cube minus b cube, this can be written as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So from the second we will get x times x to the power 4 minus 1, and from the last we will get 27x square times x square minus 1. This is equals 0. Okay. So from here what we will get, if we take x square minus 1 common, then 3 times x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, then x times x square plus 1, and then negative 27 x square. This is equals 0. Or x square minus 1 times 3x to the power 4 here, and here only x cube term, 1x cube term, then x square term 3x square and negative 27, that means negative 24x square, and there is x, only one x is there. This is equals 0. See, from here x square minus 1 equals 0, or 3x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 24. Oh, another term is missing. I did a mistake here. Plus 3. So 24x square x plus 3. This is equals to 0. So from the first one we will get x equals plus minus 1. The property says the reciprocal equation of second kind even degree has roots x equals plus minus 1, and that is true. Okay. Now see this equation. This is also a reciprocal equation of first kind. See, the first and the last 3 3, then 1 1, and this thing. So this is a reciprocal equation of first kind and even degree. Now, how to solve this equation? So this equation can be written as 3 times x to the power 4 plus 1 plus x into x square plus 1 minus 24 x square equals 0. Now divide the whole equation by x square. Okay. So what we will get? 3x square plus 1 by x square. Then x plus 1 by x, then negative 24 equals 0. Now make x square plus 1 by x square, this term perfect square. So for that, x square plus 1 by x square, now plus 2 and then minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x minus 24 equals 0, or 3 times x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x minus 24 equals 0. Let x plus 1 by x equals t. So 3t square minus 6 and minus 24. So that we get minus 30. And here plus t. This is equals 0. And this is a quadratic equation and we can easily solve this. So t equals minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 360 upon 2 times 3. So if a given equation is x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then x is nothing but minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 12, or t equals minus 1 plus minus 19 upon 6. So 18 upon 6 and minus 20 upon 6, and that is 3 and negative 10 by 3. So what is our t? T is x plus 1 by x. So when t equals 3, that is x plus 1 by x equals 3, or multiply by x, so x square plus 1 equals 3x, or x square minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. And when t equals negative 10 upon 3, so x plus 1 by x equals negative 10 upon 3, or x square plus 1 equals negative 10 upon 3, or 3 there must be x, 3x square negative positive 3 equals negative 10x, or 3x square positive 10x plus 3 equals 0. So solve these two equations. What we will get, x is minus 10 plus minus root over 100 minus 36 by 6, and simplifying negative 10 plus minus root over 64 by 6, or negative 10 plus minus 8 by 6. So that means x can be negative 2 by 6, and another is negative 18 by 6. So that is 1/3 and negative 3. And from this equation we'll get x equals 3 plus minus root over 9 minus 4 by 2, and that is 3 plus minus root 5 by 2. So these are the root of the given equation. Another example. Consider x to the power 6x to the power 4 plus 35x cube plus 62x square plus 35x plus 6 equals 0. See, this is a reciprocal equation of first kind, because here 6 and 6, 35 and 35, and here 62. So same sign and obviously even degree. So reciprocal equation of first kind and even degree. So this equation can be rewritten as 6 times x to the power 4 plus 1, and take 35 common, we can write this as x cube plus x, and then 62 x square. Now divide the whole equation by x square. We will get 6 x square plus 1 by x square. 35 times x plus 1 by x, and 62 equals 0. Now put x plus 1 by x equals t. So therefore x plus 1 by x whole square equals t square, or x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into 1 by x into x equals t square, or x square plus 1 by x square, that is equals t square minus 2. So the equation becomes 6 t square minus 2 plus 35t plus 62 equals 0, or 6t square minus 35t 12, so 50 equals 0, or 6t square plus 20t plus 15t plus 50 equals 0, or 2t times 3t plus 10 plus 5 times 3t plus 10 equals 0, or 3t plus 10 times 2t plus this equals 0. So therefore either t equals negative 10 by 3 or t is negative 5 by 2. But t is x plus 1 by x. T is x plus 1 by x. So put x plus 1 by x here. So negative 10 by 3, or x square plus 1 equals this, 3x square plus 10x plus 3 equals 0. So therefore three x square plus x plus 9x plus 3 equals 0, or 3x plus 1 times x plus 3 equals 0. So that means x is negative 3 and x is minus 1/3, and from here x plus 1 by x equals minus 5 by 2, or 2 into x square plus 1 negative 5x, or 2x square plus 5x plus 2 equals 0, or 2x square plus 4x plus x plus 2 equals 0, or 2x x plus 2 plus x plus 2 equals 0, or x plus 2 times 2x plus 1 equals 0. So therefore x is negative 2 and x is negative half. So negative 2, negative half, negative 3, and negative 1/3. These are the roots. Hope you can easily solve all the reciprocal equation in your exercises. Thank you.